In this video, we will understand how we can quickly make Microsoft Excel charts, right? So this is the sample data we are given. This is the name of the students, marks in maths, English and history. This is the total mark for each student. This is the total mark in each subject. So now let's first draw a chart comparing the marks of math, English and history. This we can easily do with the line chart. So let's go to insert. Let's select the data for which we want the chart. Since we want the lines only of math, English and history, we'll select this much data. We'll say line. We'll say this, and it came very quickly, right? You can easily see the performance of students. Now if we see the case of Dhruv, he's really bad in maths. Line is maths but very good in history. Dhruv is bad in maths and very good in history. So this chart helped us in understanding the subject wise comparison of these students. Now let's make another chart. So this was your subject wise comparison, right? Now let's make a bar chart of the total marks which these students have got. So now I want for every student a bar chart on this total marks. So I'll again select the data and I'll say insert, I'll say column, and I want this clustered column chart. Now what the problem is happening is, the problem is within our data. So let me just bring this chart up. Now okay, we see one range is going up to 3000 because this total row is coming which we didn't want it. So we'll just drag this data up, right? Now it is also giving me math, English and history. I want to remove that, so we'll drag this inside. Okay, and we'll take only name and total. So now you can see the total marks of each of the student, right, using the bar chart. So we can see the highest is this Diksha and Aditya. Diksha is 264 and Aditya is 260. So these are the two highest students as per the complete, means in all subjects. If we see their marks in all subjects, these are the students getting the highest marks. Let us make one more chart, a pie chart. A pie chart is useful when we want to see the share of each share of something in the total. So if we see this is total marks of math, total mark of English and total mark of history. Now I want to see what is the share of each of these in the total marks. So I'll go in insert. I'll first select this data and then I'll insert a pie chart. Okay. Now again this pie chart is taking by automatically, it is taking the name of all the students which I really don't want. So let's first try by reducing this range to total. No, it's not able to do this. So we will have to manually set the range. So we'll right click and select it manually. We'll delete existing data. Now legend series, the names on which you want the data, we want on math, English and history, and the series value. What are the values? Our values are this. So I'll say okay. Now we can see the percentage contribution or the share of each of the subject in the total marks. So by chance this is close to 33% in this case for all three subjects. So it is showing you equal share. So this was a way to quickly analyze the data with the help of Microsoft Excel charts. You can make various types of charts here, like if you go to the insert, you can see there is a column chart which we made here. Then there are bar charts which are quite similar to your column charts. Then there are line charts. Line, we made this one. This comes with the markers over the lines. This is 3D lines. Then you have the pie chart which just did. We have area charts, scatter charts. Then many other type of charts, but the most used are line chart, column chart and pie chart.